Hello viewers, how are you? Hope everyone is well. Welcome back to a new video from Apple Info YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to view saved Wi-Fi password on iPhone. Let's get started. In iOS 16, you can simply view connected Wi-Fi password in settings. You need to go to settings to show the connected Wi-Fi password on the iPhone. Tap on Wi-Fi. Tap the eye icon on your connected Wi-Fi. Here is a password option. Tap on it. Enter your iPhone passcode or Face ID. Now you can see the connected Wi-Fi password here. Now you can copy the password and you can also share the password if you want. So this was today's video. Hope you liked the video. If you like, don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.